Yeah, guys, I'll be on Xbox pretty soon right now because my Xbox is broken right now, and I'll be getting it fixed pretty soon. That right now is personal, guys. Uh, so if you do, and my YouTube will be by Stevens, and I'll be doing some gaming and stuff. Pretty soon. I just gotta get the money to get it. If you can get me 5 likes on this and 2 thumbs up on it, be nice. And it'd be pretty cool to get 100 likes, but right now I want 5 likes. It'd be nice. Right now I'm at 1, so um, Baze, if you're watching this, I'll be on Xbox pretty soon. Right now my Xbox is broke, so see you guys in a sec. Guys, about my Xbox, it's getting modded right now, so that's why I'm not on it right now. They say it's kind of broken, kind of not, but I'll be on it pretty soon. So, Phase, it's not the same account that you think it is. It's gonna be a different one. It's probably, I can't say it right now. It's gonna be secret, guys. So I want to say that right now. Right now I'm doing YouTube. Next is my gaming. I got it set up, but I don't know what I'm gonna make for my YouTube gaming name. Phase, give me a YouTube gaming name, and I would take it. Not something stupid, not something dumb. So I hope y'all enjoy this. See you right back here tomorrow. So see you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and retweet. See y'all tomorrow.